恭喜發財!
Hey Sarah, the Chinese New Year holiday is over. What have you done?
I have visited my relatives and got many red pockets. How about you?
Me too. I have also eaten plenty of candies and lots of traditional New Year cakes.
Oh, I love eating traditional New Year cakes. They are so delicious, especially those New Year rice cakes. I even eat it as breakfast and lunch during holiday.
Even lunch and breakfast, that would be too much for me. You nearly ate them every day.
My relatives gave me plenty of those. Though they are very delicious, they are very stuffy. I think we cannot finish them all this year.
I believe that many schoolmates also have this problem like you. They don't want to waste them, but meanwhile, they don't want to eat anymore.
Maybe our schoolmates have other ways to treat the leftovers. Should we ask them about that?
That's a good idea. Let's go.
Have you ever thought of eating food in other ways?
Well, for lingo, what's that called? A rice cake. My family would usually fry it or like coat it with egg first and then fry it. I think it tastes really good, even though I'm not Chinese, but I really enjoy eating lingo. Yes.
And I would like to steam it, and it's much softer and much easy to eat.
I will use the New Year rice cake and coat with some egg, and that's yummy.
Thank you.
How would you treat the leftovers of traditional food?
I would either eat it until it's done, or if there are still like a lot of leftovers, I would give it to my relatives since we do love eating a lot of food.
I share your point. I would like to eat it till the end of the world.
I will eat them all because they are really yummy and delicious.
I won't throw it away. I will eat them all.
Thank you.
They gave me many interesting ideas to treat the leftovers.
Yes, and I would like to share some new ways of eating them with you.
New ways? Tell me some.
Look, I've come across some good ones.
Wow, they look yummy. Should we have a try?
Why not?
First, we have rice cake lava muffin. We need 100 ml milk, egg, 150 gram muffin powder, 4 pieces of rice cake. First of all, pour the egg and milk together. Then, mix them with muffin powder. After the machine is heated, pour 1/4 of the batter from the center. Put the rice cake slice on the muffin paste and pour in the rest batter. Spread the butter until it covers the surface of the rice cake. Lastly, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can enjoy it.
They smell really good.
Let us try some. Oh, so chewy. It's really delicious. And we have rice cake spring rolls. We need long shape of rice cake, spring roll wrap, and egg. Take a small piece of spring roll wrap and place the rice cake on the side of the wrap. Spread the egg mixture around the spring roll wrap. Slowly roll it. Put them in a frying pan.
A few moments later.
Deep fry them until golden brown.
It is crispy outside and soft inside.
It is not as sweet as the original rice cake and a little bit salty. If you want an easier way, I would like to suggest rice cake mochi to you. We need long shape of rice cake, sugar-free peanut powder. Cut the rice cake into 2 to 3 cm small pieces. Put the rice cake in the steamer and steam until the rice cake is soft. Then dip the softened rice cake with some peanut powder.
The taste and the texture are totally different from the rice cake.
It is very scrumptious and easy to make it. I'm very full. Anyway, thanks for the great suggestions.
Well, hope they didn't upset your stomach.
True, though I have eaten a lot, they were really tasty.
Seems that they suit your taste.
Of course, I believe that they are everybody's cup of tea.
So, should we recommend them to our friends?
Yes, I am sure that they would like them.